This is a 2004 F150 I picked up on Facebook Marketplace for $750 to haul around barrels of oil and other things. It's got a real rough idle right now. Pulled off the throttle body, and there's the inside of it. So gonna do a cleaning of that. That should take care of the issue. Also had some aftermarket eBay looking ignition coils. We're gonna change those out and put the OEM ones on, and that should fix it up. You can't really beat having a truck like this for $750, because God knows I'm not going to put oil and nasty stuff in the back of that. Thanks, guys.